Oh man, literally getting hailed on right now. I had to run ahead of Brooks and Heather for shelter. I don't know if you can tell, but that's the real deal. It's literally snowing during summer. I got beat up, bruised, starts just destroying me. This is awesome. Couldn't think of any better way. Now, the funny thing is I'm in this cave, the same cave that I was walking under, showing you guys. So now I'm using this cave miles and miles later for shelter. Hey, how's it going, bud? Come on in if you're looking for it. Hey guys, need room? Yeah, absolutely.
Water's starting to come down now, though.
This is pretty awesome. But you didn't expect to get this experience, huh?
No, it didn't.
Now you can say you've been extreme hiking. Whew. So you guys, listen to that log. It was awesome.